subscribe. It means a lot to me. I'm almost at 2,000 subscribers. Well, not 2,000, I think 3,000. I think we're almost at 3,000 subscribers, which is crazy. Thanks for watching. I need to get better at vlogging. But anyway, peace.
Guys, look what we in. There's no way we're driving this. Even has a little spot to put the key, look. We're driving the F8 today, guys. I don't think I wore the best shoes for this day. I brought the Yeezy slides and I'm over here driving barefoot, guys. Because it's impossible. It's impossible to drive with those shoes. But guys, we're really whipping the F8 right now. This thing is so sick. All satin black, full exhaust, full tune. This thing is very fast, bro. And I think this might be the first Ferrari I've ever driven. So for a Ferrari F8 to be my first Ferrari to drive, it's pretty crazy. Anyways, what's up guys? You're watching another video, another lit video today. Also today is a very special day. Not only am I driving a Ferrari F8, but we also hit 200,000 subscribers. This is the best way to celebrate. We probably look crazy on the road right now. We have two F8s and then the Porsche GT3 RS. All of them murdered out, all black. But yeah guys, I want to thank all you guys for 200,000 subscribers. It literally feels unreal, guys. Never did I think in my life that I would have 200,000 people following me on YouTube. It's crazy because before I never thought I'd be a YouTuber, guys. I never had plans to be a YouTuber, nothing like that. I wanted to be a photographer or a videographer. That's kind of why I started shooting for 412 back in the day, because I was a photographer. And you guys know the story. I met John Higgs. He was already doing YouTube at the time and he pressed me. He forced me to do YouTube. So because of him, that is why I am doing YouTube. And like I said, I'm always thankful for that because he pushed me to do it. He helped me do it. He taught me how to do it. But yeah, it's just insane how life works. We now have 200,000 subscribers on YouTube and we are growing, guys. Next up, 300K, 400K, 500K, and then 1 million, bro. 1 million seems impossible to me right now, but hey, even 100,000 seemed impossible and we did that. So I know 1 million is possible, guys, but you gotta work hard and stay consistent. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I appreciate it so freaking much. I'll forever be thankful for all the support and the love you guys show on the vlogs, on the merch, on the Instagram, everything. All of that helps so much. You guys don't understand. Thank you guys for 200 subscribers. I appreciate it and I love you guys. Now let's keep making these vlogs. I almost died. Let's keep making these vlogs, bro. Yeah, we ripping this F8 today though. Look at this. This shit is fire, bro. Probably the most badass F8 in the world. Not gonna lie, this shit is perfect. Satin black, it's slammed. Joseph told me be very, very careful with the front lip, but as you guys know, I'm pretty used to the F80 front lip right now. I don't know how I haven't broke the F80 lip, but hopefully we do not touch this front bumper because this thing sits very low. But I think the F80 sits lower, to be honest. And what's cool about these cars is they have a lift. So in a click of a button, the front end goes up and down whenever you go in and out of driveways and stuff like that. So that helps. Yeah, this thing is beautiful. Red brakes, red interior, well, black interior with red accents, all satin black, all carbon fiber everywhere, slammed. This thing is perfect. And then Joseph's driving this GT3 RS that you guys saw in the last vlog. A bunch of carbon fiber everywhere. Center lock wheels, green accents on this one. This one doesn't have the roll cage, but still fire. Regardless, still looks like a freaking race car. They just look sick together, bro. All satin black. And then that F8 is just all gloss black with gloss black wheels. That one's also full exhaust and tune. They're both very fast. Probably making like 800 horsepower, Joseph said. 800 to 900 horsepower. I'm gonna put it on race or sport. I don't know. I think sport will be more safe.
I love both.
We got the walkie-talkies, guys.
The fucking video of you in the 812. That thing got 800 horsepower, bro.
The boy Zoomy is actually in the other F8. You guys might have seen his Instagram before. He's a crazy ass photographer. He's driving the other black F8. I'm in this F8.
Nick, we're gonna go straight all the way through, so whenever you have the time to pass the stupid Mercedes, you can, but don't risk it.
Bro, this is insane, bro. We're literally playing a real life video game, bro. That's insane. Well, these F8s might be my new favorite Ferrari. I'm not gonna lie. Driving this every day, I can get used to this. I've never driven a Ferrari, like I said, and this thing just feels so like different than any other car I've driven. Like honestly, it feels like a race car. Oh my God, it's so fast. Look at those downshifts. Probably looked insane with all of us lined up. The Porsche and the two Ferraris. I'm not sure if you guys know either, but this is like a $400,000 Ferrari, bro, that I'm driving. Definitely the most expensive car I've ever driven, and I'm driving it barefoot. Oh my God, this thing is crazy. I have the biggest smile on my face, bro. This guy in the Supra is going crazy. He's like, what the heck, bro? 3 black murdered out cars? The downshifts are crazy. I wish I brought a GoPro, bro. God damn, this shit is so fast. Bro, this is insane. This might be my new favorite car. I'm not even gonna lie. Got the little car play in there, bumpy little baby.
Yeah, I just wanna get some safety shots.
Bro, the Porsche is insane. My Porsche is made for this, bro. That's a sick ass shot of both F8s. That car is so much fun to drive.
Which one?
The F8.
Yeah, it's badass.
The sickest car I've ever driven. This thing's insane too. The F8 is fun, bro. I've never driven a Ferrari, you know that? That's the first time I've ever driven one.
You gotta pay me, eh?
I think the Porsche does sound better though. But those are fast.
Porsche?
The Porsche sounds better for sure. That shit just screaming. You can't even hear the Ferrari. The turbos sound crazy. Oh my God, bro. Freaking Joseph, bro. This is gonna be a sick ass picture. Look at it. Yeah. Alright guys, I think this deserves a little cinematic. Let's go. Photoshop the cast for another foot.
I just AI Buy that.
Just make another.
Give him 2 feet. All right.
All right, guys. Now we in the GT3 RS. The first GT3 RS I've ever driven, bro. This thing is insane. Joseph drifted the hell out of the Ferrari, though. You guys will see that on their Instagram, I'm sure. But yeah, all those tire marks are Joseph in the Ferrari. I don't know if I like this better or the Ferrari, honestly. This one's way louder. Hear this thing, guys. Shit! God damn, this thing just hugs the floor. Oh my God, bro. Oh my, bro, I see the hype. I now see the hype of the Porsche. I now know why people love them. Bro, you guys don't understand how bad I wish I had a GoPro, bro. Because I can't drive with one hand. And show you guys how crazy this car is. Look at the downshift. Oh my God, bro. Revs up all the way to 9,000 RPM. That's why they're so loud. They're just screaming. This has to be one of the most lit vlogs ever. Nice little 200,000 subscriber special for you guys. Yeah, I don't know which one I like better, guys. The Ferrari F8 or the Porsche GT3 RS. I don't know. Both really different cars. Joseph said there's a big rock in the street somewhere. You gotta be careful. But yeah, they're both completely different cars, guys. I think this one definitely sounds better. The Ferrari's definitely faster though, you can tell. It's just this sound, but you can't beat the sound of this. I've been just enjoying the way back to the shop without even filming, but this is so fun. This is definitely once in a lifetime opportunity right here. Shout out to Joseph and Phone 2. It was dope. I got to drive a sick ass Ferrari, $500,000 Ferrari. That's 800 horsepower. And we got some really dope content. Oh my God, dude. Alright guys, now we have teleported to the BMW meet that I mentioned earlier. Right now is a private BMW meet. I didn't even bring my car, boy. I went straight from Phone 2 and the Ferrari straight to here. So I didn't even have time to get my car. But we here, I'm gonna make some content for you guys, check out some cool cars. Oh my God, there's so many cars here. So this is actually the pre-meet for Sunday's BMW Invasion meet, guys. There's gonna be so many people at Beamer Invasion, and it's kind of like the pre-meet. Damn, there's a Supra in here? The other BMW? That shit's sick. There's a lot of dope cars, guys. G80s, E92s, M4. You got Fresh Kicks car with the BBSs. Damn, those shits are shiny, bro. Ariz's car? You guys remember Ariz? He did all the coding on my car, full screen CarPlay, all that good stuff. It's just running good now or what?
Perfect.
That shit's so sick. He has everything done you can possibly think to this car, guys. We talked about it in that vlog when we coded my car, but yeah, literally everything is done on this engine. And there's a coding special this weekend, guys, because this weekend is the Beamer Invasion, so everyone's gonna be there. I'm sure a lot of you guys are gonna be there. And if you guys want to do the full screen CarPlay and all that other coding, he's gonna be there, guys.
Yeah.
And he's going to do a little deal for you guys too. If you guys mention my name at Beamer Invasion, he'll tune and
only if you mention Nick's name, 20% off.
20% off
of the event.
All the coding, guys.
GTS tunes, whatever you guys need, 20% off. EDC delete, whatever.
Everything coding related, guys. He knows everything about these cars.
Everything that I do, 20% off. Only for Beamer Invasion.
I fully recommend the full screen CarPlay. It's literally the best thing I ever did to the car.
Yes.
It's so sick. It makes it look new and all that good stuff. Because some cars don't even come with CarPlay, and he can literally put it on the car. It's sick. David needs to do that. I've been trying to convince David to do it. Mark, where you at, bro?
What's up, bro?
Where's your car?
It's not here. In the shop, baby.
Sunday. You can smell the 85. Jeez.
Doesn't have flames though.
Yeah, there's no flames. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. What are they doing, Aris?
I'm gonna rev it comes to shit. Oh
No
my
way they're gonna
God.
rev it.
How are you gonna compare V8 to?
Yeah, I don't know. I like Aris's car, but the V8's gonna win. The V8 sounds better. Oh my God. You guys remember this one? The full chrome one? It's fully chrome. It's a mirror. Damn. I forgot that he has a supercharger too. It's so loud. That was so loud, bro. The supercharger is hella loud from the front. Oh my! God, that hurts.
Shit is loud, bro.
This is crazy. I forgot that it's supercharged too.
Supercharger, the blow pad, the exhaust.
He pretty much has everything you could possibly do to
Yeah,
89.2.
literally.
Supercharger, roll cage,
Seats,
wheels, bags, exhaust. I know, I didn't even notice. Carbon doors too. Look at this, guys. The whole doors are carbon. He practically did everything you possibly could do to an E92. Even a carbon fiber back seat. Rod bearings, rod bearings, rod bearings. Rod bearings! Bro, this thing is crazy. Pink with pink calipers, BBSs, and the roll cage. I've never seen a pink G80 in my life. That is fire, bro. Got the Supreme license plate cover. What do you guys think? Would you wrap your car pink? I love the wheels, dude, and the interior. You got the carbon bucket seats, all white. Well, and he got the stars. You guys remember Daniel's car? He got wheels on it now, HRE wheels. Of course, all his cars have had HRE wheels on it. You got the crazy exhaust on it, the crazy color purple, the red carbon bucket seats on the inside. He literally got every option you can possibly get on this car. But yeah, all these guys are gonna be at Beamer Invasion, guys. So this Sunday, Beamer Invasion at Irwindale Speedway, I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be at the Valtronic booth, and all the BMW homies are gonna be there. David's gonna be there, Eric's gonna be there, Daniel, Kevin, everybody. But my F8 is gonna be at the Valtronic booth, guys. So everyone pull up, come say what's up. I'm gonna be at the booth. Don't be shy, come say hi. And yeah, it's gonna be lit, guys. I can't wait. I can't wait to see all of you guys, and I can't wait till you guys can see the F80 in person. It's pretty much like a pre-meet for a Beamer Invasion. M2, G80. There's gonna be so many G80s. This one's sick. It's like a frozen white. I wonder if it's paint or not. You can always appreciate a very clean E30 like this. This shit's fire. This is perfect. Kevin's car, of course. My boy Anthony's G82. Probably the best looking G82 out right now, I swear. It used to be red, and now he has it like this satin silver color. This M2 is beautiful. Definitely my favorite. One of my favorite cars here, for sure. This makes me want an M2, I'm not gonna lie. That is perfect, bro. It's like all tracked out. What's up, man? BBS's? Oh, that shit's sick. I like how he cut the bumper. That looks pretty sick.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only